Hey, if you're like me, you are going through the Wise 101 Lesson 1 and running into a problem. If you are receiving an error or just not hearing sound at the end of the tutorial where you're trying to hear this ice gem blast while playing the cube game, I've run across a lot of articles online, a lot of forum posts where people say, oh, there's something to do with the Windows or Mac folder, and I could not figure out exactly what that meant. I did come across a good Reddit post that explained it. So in the SoundBank, when you go to user settings after you've created this main work unit or main SoundBank underneath this one, user settings, override project settings, and this is where you specify the path of the SoundBank folder. The main problem is that the game or the tutorial has you go into SoundBanks and just delete everything that's in here, which this is not present. And so this is a spoiler for you. When this isn't present and you just go to select this path, which is usually just cube, and then it says just SoundBanks is the folder, it does not work. It just isn't working at all. What you have to do is go into the SoundBanks folder, right click, make a new folder, and just call it the platform name. So in the case of Mac, Mac, in the case of Windows, like me, Windows. And then when you go into select the SoundBank folder, select that specific platform, select, hit OK, generate selected, close and reopen the cube game, and it should work fine.